Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get your private key from MetaMask. First, open your MetaMask extension in your web browser. Make sure you are logged into the specific account for which you need the private key. This process is straightforward and helps you manage your crypto assets across different platforms. We will guide you through each step to ensure a smooth experience. Once you are logged in, locate the three vertical dots positioned next to your account name within the MetaMask interface. Click on these dots to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select the option labeled Account Details. This will open a new window, presenting you with various details related to your selected account. In the Account Details window, you will find an option to export private key. Click this button. For security purposes, MetaMask will prompt you to enter your password. Carefully type in your MetaMask password to confirm your identity. After successful authentication, your private key will be clearly displayed, ready for you to copy. Your private key is the ultimate access to your funds, so treat it with extreme caution. Never, under any circumstances, share this key with anyone. It is highly recommended to store your private key in a secure, offline location, like a hardware wallet or a written note in a safe. Losing this key means losing access to all your associated crypto assets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.